Hello, this is Ashley from Crafting with Ashley and welcome to this video. This is a cute little card we're making today. So let's get started. Supplies you're going to need is your card base. This is a standard A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half and then folded in half. And the colour is Poppy Parade. And then I've got a piece here of Call Me Clover. And this measures 14.35 centimetres by 10 centimetres. And this is just from the In Colour family stack pattern papers. And then I've got a piece here of Poppy Parade as well, and this measures 10.5 centimetres by 7 centimetres. Okay, and then in my Stamparatus I've got here a piece of Whisper White measuring 10 centimetres by 6.5 centimetres, but don't worry, all those measurements will be on the blog post that goes with this video. So the stamp set we're using is this very cool one called Elfie. We're going to be using this little elf here, and I'm going to be stamping him in Memento because I want to colour with my favourite Stampin' blends. I never used to like alcohol markers until we got the Stampin' blends, and now I've fallen in love. So let's stamp our little elf. Perfect. Okay, so I'm just going to clean him off using our Stampin' chamois I keep in the stamp case. So, very easy way to clean your stamps. Okay, and then I'm going to stamp this little sentiment that says Holiday Hello, and I'm just going to put it up there, and then I'll pick it up with my lid, and I'm going to stamp that in the matching Call Me Clover ink. Okay, so just put that down. Brilliant. Close that up. Take this out. Give this a little clean, otherwise the ink will get everywhere, and I'm a firm believer in trying to stop a mess before it starts. Makes life just so much easier. So let's set that aside. Bring back our little image, and we're going to colour him, as I said, with the blends. Sorry for the noise. I'm going to be using the Poppy Parade, the Mango Melody, Call Me Clover, Ivory and Bronze. Okay, so I'm just going to zoom you in so that you can see what I'm doing, and then I'm going to do my colouring, and I'll fast forward through this and we'll catch you at the end. Okay, so that's all coloured in, so let's bring back our other pieces, and we're going to stick down this to our Poppy Parade using some snails. So let's do that now. Okay, oops, I've got glue on the craft mat on my grid paper, which doesn't help. Okay, so we've got that. Now I'm going to wrap a little piece of Poppy Parade ribbon round here. So let's cut off a piece, and this is the Poppy Parade what's it called, textured weave ribbon. Okay, we're just going to have it go around the centre. So I'm going to put some snail on the back first. And then I'm just going to do it somewhere, I'm going to eyeball it so it's somewhere around the centre. All I'm going to do is tuck it around, something like that. Whoops, I didn't stick that down very well here. So put some more snail there so we can stick it down well and truly. Okay, now we're just going to stick all of this to the front of our card base like that, and then we are going to this bit of glue is annoying me. Let me turn my mat over like that where there's no glue, and otherwise everything keeps catching on a bit of snail that I've got on the grid paper. We're going to stick this down then on top here, and I love this green and red. It's such a traditional Christmas colour, and this also helps the Poppy Parade ribbon to stay in place. Now I'm going to use some of our little red rhinestones here, and I'm just going to bring the red down to here in the corner. And I always do things in threes because design wise it just seems to look better, it's more symmetrical as a 3. And then I'm going to use one of these large yellow rhinestones from the Holiday Rhinestone set to put over his bauble there, and we are done. So there you go. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any information about this project, it'll be on my webpage, on the blog post, and the links to my website and to my social media links are in the description box below. So, excuse me, thank you again for watching, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye!